With this.
Good morning guys, this is Ronnie once again and we're still here in Bali. It's actually guys our third full day right now. I don't have anything really planned to do, but while browsing my social media last night after the second day Klook activity, the West Nusa Penida tour, I ran over this video that is something new with Bali guys. And to tell you, I've been longing for this activity while I'm in Malaysia. It's just that since in Malaysia, this activity is really prohibited because they do not allow any, or I think it's illegal to carry a real gun in Malaysia. So what I'm telling you, this activity is all about shooting range. It's the real thing, baby. Like, you will be using a real gun to do shooting. So, the name of the place that I will visit today is Bali Shooting Club. It's actually in Sanur. I just run over through Klook once again for this activity and book it right away. So, join me guys as we try do the real thing, shoot the real thing using the real gun. Let's go guys! So how to get there guys, I actually booked a Grab bike going there. It's an 8-kilometer away ride. And yung cost ng ride, it's a Grab bike guys ha. So it's a motorbike. It cost me around 32,500 rupiah. So it's pretty cheap actually, like less than 10 ringgit pa yun. So I'll just wait for the Grab bike and I'll meet you there. So we made it here guys. This is the place, Bali Fire Shooting Club. It's like 15 minutes away from Seminyak. We made it here guys. Ito yung itsura ng labas ng Bali Fire Shooting Range. And ito yung entrance. Let's go in na. So once you go inside guys, this is yung kanilang receiving. And ayan, ito yung area. And I think this is the registration. Let's go to the registration first. On their shooting range guys, they offer different handgun or different guns or weapon. They have handgun, Walther G22, Aya Coral, and aside from that, meron din silang air gun and may archery din sila actually.
Our menu, we have 6 types gun, handgun, shotgun, Walther, sniper, revolver, also the PCC. And this one is the combination package, we call it PUBG. A and B, you can try 4 types gun. For the PUBG C, it will be 5 types gun including revolver. And PUBG D is the biggest package we have, so you can try all the guns.
Yeah. I actually chose one because I inquired on your WhatsApp. I think I'll be choosing the package PUBG A, okay, the 4 types of gun.
This one, yeah?
Yeah, this one. And it's 690, right?
Yeah.
And then you accept card?
Sure.
Okay.
Alright. Wait a moment, yeah? I will take a pen.
Can you let me borrow this?
Sure.
Thank you. These are the packages you can choose from guys. So they have package A. So, ayan, may mga prices na dyan depending on the bullet and the type of gun you're gonna use. This is package A. You got G-Clock 17 or G-Lock 17 and Tanfolio Limited. 8 bullets, 1350. Then, ito yung mga price. Then, meron din Aya Coral. And then, ayan guys. Just check for the prices and for the type of gun you wanted to try. Ayan siya. And then for me guys, ang pinili ko is yung etong PUBG package. Ito na. It costs 690,000 for the, you can try all types of guns na, but limited bullets lang. But still, you were able to try all of the guns na. Ayan pa yung PUBG package B naman. And then yan. Ayan, ayan. Ayan, ayan. Just screenshot it or pause it so that you have a better view of the prices and the type of gun you wanted. Ito yung other naman. They have air rifle, archery, axe, throwing, and a combination, of course. Once you choose the type of package you wanted to avail, ito, you have to fill out everything, of course, for the registration. For the payment method, guys, you don't have to worry because they were pretty flexible here. Aside from cash, they are also accepting cards, credit cards. So, no need to worry, don't have to withdraw a lot of money. It's starting, guys, we'll just go to the shooting range place. From the lobby, dito, bababa kayo dito sa place na to.
This is for you, PUBG aja.
Thank you. This is the place, guys. And they give me this headphone. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can follow my friend, yeah?
Follow me? Hello. I think we'll do briefing first, I guess. For safety. So this is the place now. These are the guns, and then ito yung target natin. Nice.
Yeah.
So
Can
they'll
put it
give
on?
you this
Yes.
headphone so that hindi ka mabibingi. And these are the type of guns. How can I start? Tignan natin kung natamaan. None.
No shoot.
No.
Yeah, no shoot.
It's okay.
Okay.
Again. This is the clock.
Yeah, this block. Make your step, yeah. You leave this from here. One back.
So we're trying now the clock, guys, for 2 bullets. Well, nakatama tayo, guys, I think. Oh, ayan. We shot it on the thing. This one. At doon.
Yeah.
Puso ata yan, hindi pa deadly.
Okay, let's move to...
So apparently, guys, iba't iba yung place depende sa gun na gagamitin. Etong area na ito na trinay natin, handgun siya. We're now moving to the shotgun. This is the area naman for shotgun, guys. Medyo malakas siya. So this is the shotgun that we're gonna use. Medyo may kalakihan siya, guys. And andun yung target naman. Okay.
Duduk gini lah kau bisa tu.
Masa?
Makanya aku ketawa sakit ketawa. Tapi kena 10 dua malah bagus.
Kok hebat?
Iya.
Kebetulan.
Betul.
Look at this, guys. Ayun yung trinay natin. Ngayon lang. Grabe. So this will be our last gun, guys. Ito, nakaupo na kasi medyo malaki na siya.
Sit down. You shoot the left target. Yeah, target. Yeah, okay. Okay, you check here, check. Yeah. You see target? Yeah, okay. Pull the trigger.
So this is our target, guys. Set 8 at ito, bullseye. Perfect. Ito pa guys, yung different guns na ginagamit. Ayan, ayan yung area. And then, ito rin. Ayan siya. So, let's discuss the experience, guys. Actually, masaya siya. Though, medyo mabilis lang kasi 2 bullets nga lang per gun at 4 yung gun na tinay ko. I think the activity lasted for like 15 minutes also. And to tell you guys, be prepared kasi may kabigatan at saka pag nasa-shot mo na yung gun or yung barrel, talagang mapapaurong yung shoulder mo kasi malakas talaga siya at saka medyo pati din yung sound malakas. That's why they are giving you headphones to protect your ears, of course. And then so far, for the staff, they are accommodating and they let me shot video and tinuturo pa nga nila kung saan yung magandang spot ng video or yung phone mo para sa magandang shot, of course. And then, sadly, hindi pwedeng i-front yung video pag mag-shot kayo. So, carry na rin. For the experience-wise, medyo nakatama naman tayo and it's happy. It's exciting. And ipapauwi sa'yo yung mga targets. So far, hindi naman nasayang kasi nakatama naman ako ng target. And dun sa pinaka last, I think it's a short gun. Yung merong basta may tinitingnan, kaya medyo maganda yung shot natin. So, if you don't have any activity yet while visiting here in Bali, I think you should try this. If you're looking for that adrenaline rush, thrill seeker, I think this is perfect. For 690,000 rupees. Thank you, guys.